So we're at the Spinner open house event and we've had a tour, and some of the guys from America were telling me about this machine, and it got my brain kind of thinking about the possibilities and how this can fit so well in the manufacturing industry. And the reason why, so of course you've got the 5-axis full simultaneous table here, but also inside one machine you've got one table, of course, but then you've got another table, and I've not seen anything like this setup really before of this size. So you've got this fixed table, and what they were telling me, which it kind of opened up the possibilities of the fact that, yes, okay, you've got full 5-axis work. If you want to hit the 6th side or the 6th face, then of course you can do your operations and everything on this table and then pull it over to here. But I think what really got me going, right, was the fact that you can utilize then both tables at the same time. So not only can you have small parts, so okay, you're fine, you're hitting, you know that you can do your small parts, but then you utilize both tables, and then you can put bigger parts on both tables. And then, so you can then say, okay, I've got one machine and it's doing not only just one part, like smaller parts, but then you can do larger parts. And then they told me that the fact that on this table, if you get a 4th axis unit, put it on this table, you can then like machine long circular, like shaft work on both of the tables. So if you think, as an example, if you're a job shop or you're a subcontract machine shop, you don't know what's coming in through your door, then you've got one machine that can hit so many of parts that you send out your door. So it's like one machine that can do so much. And I just think, actually, yeah, I can really see this machine out there in industry being so useful.
And what's great is the fact that they've automated the solution too.